So guys, for the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Once we're on this, we're going to click on any service and click on R on our keyword, which will bring us down to radio management service. Then you want to right click on it, click on properties, and then you want to click on stop. I'm not facing this problem right now, so then this message came up, but for you, it will let you stop it. So once you stop it, you want to click on OK, and then you want to highlight radio management service and click on restart the service. Once it's been restarted, you want to right click on it again, and then you want to click on start right here, which will fully restart the service again. For the second step, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then I'm going to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. Once we're on this, we're going to type in ipconfig /release and click on enter. Once we've done that, we're going to type in ipconfig /renew and click on enter again, and wait for this to load. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. For you, it should say airplane mode. You want to turn it off and turn it back on. Then you want to connect to your normal Wi-Fi. Once you complete these 3 steps in the video, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.